welcome to GM-TECH AutoCAD. My name is Juan and I have something really exciting to share with you. Now we have our GM-TECH EZY 21, our 3-inch DA polisher, or our Nano polisher. There's one tool that's missing in our arsenal. Our very own GM-TECH EZY Rotary Polisher. We have our rotary polisher, 5-inch backing plate, side handle, D handle, GM-TECH black wool pad, GM-TECH maroon polishing pad, and also that comes in all of our set, Infinity 8 and Infinity 9.0 in 150 grams. So right here in our manual book, there's also a few bits. We got the Allen key to lock in our screws for the D handle, spare carbon brush. Let's just talk about the specs of this rotary polisher machine. It's 1650 watts. It has a cord cable length of 4 meters. The backing plate is M40 backing plate. The specs of this machine, from speed 1, it goes from 500 RPM up to another speed, to speed 2 to 1000, 1500, and up to the maximum speed 6, which goes around 3000 RPM. This is actually great for our detailing work. 500 RPM in speed 1 is great for finishing work, and especially when you're polishing on a much more soft and sensitive paint. Let me show you how to set up your rotary polisher. Now you have actually a lock spindle here. Lock, getting it loose. Go. Fit in your D handle. You can also orientate it according to how your preference is. Same goes if you want to change to a side handle. This one doesn't require screws, so you can just slide it in. And right here there's a side button which locks it in place. Now you can actually pair it off with Infinity 8.0 for our cutting, and then I'll use our Infinity 9.0 for our polishing set. Rotary polishing, these two pads alone might not be enough, and that's when you're gonna need a GM-TECH orange finishing pad, and this will actually help, especially when you're gonna work on soft, sensitive paint. Okay, so that is all from our unboxing. Leave a comment, like the video, subscribe to our channel on our YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.